myself, why there is hate in this world. We better find true love in our hearts. Well, I think it's the money or different races, colors. Hear me now and just stop pointing fingers, not right. Look into your own eyes and let me know if you can see it clear. If not, can I take a minute of your time? Please just listen and hear. Hate no more, judge no more, put it on a side and just ignore. There are those in need, hundreds to feed. You feel it if you put yourself under their feet. Kill no more, fight no more, open up, it's me knocking on your door. From Lenny for love, hate no more. I wanna know why we fight, is it a part of our life? And if not, why can't we be one? Why don't you share what you got and give it with all your heart? You'll be happy cause you know you did right. Don't be selfish, my friend, you will stand like a mountain. You never know what tomorrow will bring. Sometimes we think only us and we forget about others. Treat them in a way you'd like to be treated. Hate no more, judge no more, put it on a side and just ignore. There are those in need, hundreds to feed. You feel it if you put yourself under their feet. Kill no more, fight no more, open up, it's me knocking on your door. From Lenny for love, hate no more. Love is a thing that will never fade. It only comes straight from our heart. Opportunity appears in a different way. Make it happen cause we only pass once. You will be judged accordingly. What you did in this world, what goes around will come back to you. Start living in love, I mean love one another. Be free and always do good. Hate no more, judge no more, put it on a side and just ignore. There are those in need, hundreds to feed. You feel it if you put yourself under their feet. Kill no more, fight no more, open up, it's me knocking on your door. From Lenny for love, hate no more. Hate no more, judge no more, put it on a side and just ignore. There are those in need, hundreds to feed. You feel it if you put yourself under their feet. Kill no more, fight no more, open up, it's me knocking on your door. From